Well, this is one of them tokens nobody is really talking about a whole lot. Okay, vet, huge potential here. All right, bull run price target for this thing went up to what, 28 cents last time. All right, Fibonacci gives it a target right over a buck, $1.13. That's what we were shooting for last bull run. I know a lot of people, including me, we were shooting for that, ended up heading up to 28 cents. But that was from a bottom, okay, of, you're talking 0.002, 0.002 to 28 cents. All right, so what was that? Let's take a look here. 0.28. Sorry about that. 0.28 divided by 0.002. That was 140x. All right, so what more could you ask for? Sorry about the clicking. My wireless mouse ended up going dead, and believe it or not, no AA batteries in the house, so I got to make a store run. Now, as far as Vechain goes, when we zoom in here on the weekly, all right, you can see here we got 5 waves. We had 5 waves up here. This is super important. All right, you had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, then you had an A, B, C. An A, B, C marks a bottom. Okay, now what would you be doing here? You'd be starting this next move up. And look at this thing. I mean, it is absolutely super oversold down here. The weekly is at the bottom, heading up. You got your 5-day RSI turned to the upside. You got your 3-day turning to the upside also. All right, I'm expecting a massive breakout here on Vechain. This thing has it's been beat down here. You have a resistance line. Probably actually, I would probably go more of a something like this. Down through here, almost a fallen wedge forming in here. Get this down through here, like a wedge type pattern. Then you had a breakout here, a retest, and expect Vechain to really start taking off here. All right, first targets for this thing would be back up to that 618702. You're gonna have a massive moonshot on this thing. There is a lot of tokens just getting ready to absolutely rip. Your first move back up for Vechain would be back up to the 4.6 to 4.8 from 3.5 cents. Totally expect it to blow through that area. All right, this would be your 618702. We're going to put a box here. This would be your first area to take out right through here. All right, that's always a very super important area. Takes that out, we're heading up to close to 7 cents. And from here, you're talking, what is that, about 100% move up there. And Vechain has a lot left in the gas tank, guys. This thing, I love Vechain. I love what they're all about. One of the only Chinese companies that China actually, one of the only crypto companies, I should say, that China actually backs. Okay, Vechain does a lot. They're partnered with a lot of companies. They're in with Nike. They're in with Prada. All kinds of stuff. They verify that the stuff is authentic. Just really cool things that Vechain is doing out there. All right, expect a big super run from this thing. Over on Bitcoin, this thing here, got a target for Bitcoin for this bull run up around between 210 and 243,000 bucks. All right, this thing should be heading next up to about 84,000, and then a push up to that 102. All right, that you're going to have your first wave up. Your second wave pullback should retest the previous all-time high here. All right, you'll have a lot of people jumping in there, I'm sure. And then this third wave is going to be a super blast. We have Bitcoin dominance showing super weakness over here. All right, if you're interested in learning how to do this stuff, guys, join us. We have over 200 active members in the members group. It's only 15 bucks. You get 22 videos to teach you how to start charting. You're gonna want to know how to do this stuff. All right, this it can make you a pile of money. I made, I'm not going to go there, but you need to know when to sell and when to buy. I show you how to look for price targets for your tokens for the bull run, just like we did with Vechain there. Everything. Show you how to set up your trading view, how to leverage trade. I got a ton of videos in there. So if you're interested, please go check it out. It's only 15 bucks. And you get a ton of content and a link to the Discord. You can see Bitcoin dominance is flirting with breaking this support right here. All right, you have the weekly RSI rolling right over. So we could have a mini alt season here. All right, this thing falls. All these altcoins are super oversold. And at the bottom, I believe this is going to be our first major push up here for the altcoins. All right, overall, this is probably just going to be a big wave one, your two-wave pullback, and this third wave. This one should be a banger. All right, and then your fourth wave, and then your final fifth wave up. These are going to be way up higher towards, I'd imagine, towards that dollar target up there. So keep your eye on that. This thing is ready to go. All right, have a great day, guys. Thanks a lot. Please come back.